Okay, 5.1.34, use rational exponents to simplify the expression. Okay, that doesn't look so bad. So that's x to the second, and a sixth root is a 1/6 exponent. And then remember this 2 is like 2 over 1, and also recall that when you have powers raised to powers, you multiply. If you can't remember that, here's what I usually tell somebody to do. If I take an example I could write out to convince myself. So if I can't remember that I multiply those, well, this literally means I have x to the third 2 times. And if you think about that, that's x times x times x for this first one. This one's x times x times x for the second one. How many x's is it? It's x to the 6. So when it's powers to powers multiply, when they're next to each other like these two, then you add them with a product in the middle. All right, so back to here. Powers to powers multiply. 2 times 1/6, or 2 over 1 times 1 over 6. If you multiply straight across, you get 2/6, which you know is 1/3. Or if you've ever used this sort of cross-canceling to simplify, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into the 6, 3, then multiply straight across. Sometimes that can be a faster way if you can break it down to smaller numbers sooner. Then in this problem, it again says enter that as radicals. So what does x to the 1/3 power mean? It means the cubed root of x. So that would be what I would get for my final solution there on 5.1.34.